Today we're going to build and train a neural network using PyTorch. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create your own neural network models. Let's get started. Make sure you have PyTorch installed. You can install it using this simple pip command. Import the necessary modules from PyTorch. This will import the neural network module and the optimizer module, along with the core PyTorch library. Then define a simple neural network by creating a subclass of the NN module. This code defines a simple neural network with two fully connected layers. The init method initializes the layers, and the forward method defines the forward pass through the network. The model is then instantiated and printed to show its structure. Generate some random data for training. This creates two tensors. Inputs, 100 samples, each with 10 features, and targets, 100 corresponding target values. These are random values used to simulate training data. Use mean squared error loss and the Adam optimizer. Criterion is the loss function, mean squared error in this case, which measures the difference between the network's predictions and the actual target values. Optimizer is an instance of the Adam optimizer, which updates the network's weights based on the computed gradients. The learning rate is set to 0.01. Implement the training loop. This loop runs for 100 epochs. In each one, the following steps are performed. Optimizer 0 grad clears the gradients from the previous step. Then we compute the network's predictions for the input data. We calculate the loss between the predictions and the targets. Loss backward computes the gradient of the loss with respect to the network's parameters. Then we use optimizer.step, which updates the network's parameters based on the computed gradients. Every 10 epochs, the current loss is printed to the monitor to monitor the training process. Now we generate some new input data and get predictions. This creates new random input data and passes it through the trained model to get predictions. The predictions are printed to show the output of the module on new data. Building and training a neural network with PyTorch is straightforward once you understand the basics. Experiment with different network architectures and training parameters to improve your models. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.